Next question. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand vertically on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet is 12 meter, what is the distance between the tops? Now, draw a figure. This is A, this one is B, this one is C, this one is D and E. This one is 5 meter, this one is 6 meter, total 11 meter. This one is 11 meter. This 12 meter, this also 12 meter. This hypotenuse, question what? AD is what? Question is this dimension. Now, its answer is AD square equal to AB square plus BD square. AB square plus BD square. BD square. AB square 5 square plus 12 square. 25. 5 square 25 plus 144. Its answer is 169. Root of 169 is 13. 13 meter. So AD is 13 meter. This is the answer. That's all.